Seek out intellectual battles. If you want to prove your strength, you must be willing to test it against others. Engage in debates. Compete in high-pressure situations. Take on problems others consider impossible. The key is to put yourself in situations where your mind is truly tested, where losing is a real possibility, where only the strongest minds survive. It's only in these moments of pure conflict that you will see the true extent of your power. But don't just seek easy victories. Challenge those who are smarter, faster, and stronger than you. The weak seek comfort. The powerful seek the hardest battles, because it's through those battles that you grow. Step 2. Destroy doubt through action. Doubt is the enemy of power. Even the strongest mind can be crippled by hesitation, by fear. The only way to destroy doubt is through action. Ruthless, decisive action. When you face a challenge, attack it with everything you have. Don't hesitate. Don't question. Act with absolute confidence. Because once you commit fully, doubt has no place to hide. Your mind has been trained, rebuilt, strengthened, but now you must use it. Test yourself against others. Prove your superiority. Make them see just how powerful you've become. Step 3. Learn from every conflict. Every battle, every debate, every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger, but only if you learn from it. When you win, break down why you succeeded. What worked? What didn't? How can you improve? When you lose, analyze it even harder. Break down every mistake, every flaw, then fix them. The goal is not just to win, but to keep evolving, to refine your mind until it becomes something unstoppable. Most people are content to stop when they reach a certain level of intelligence. But you will keep going, because there is always more to achieve. Step 4. Assert your superiority without fear. Once you've tested your mind against others, you will realize something powerful. Most people are weak. They hide behind their comfort zones, never pushing themselves, never growing. You are not like them. You have rebuilt your mind from the ground up, and now you will prove it. Assert your superiority with confidence, not arrogance, confidence. Because your strength is real. Your power is earned. You are no longer bound by the limitations that hold others back. Your mind is sharper, stronger, faster, and anyone who tries to stand against you will be crushed under the weight of your intellect. But remember, the battle is never over. There will always be new challenges, new conflicts, new enemies to defeat, and you must be ready for all of them. Because the path to mental supremacy is endless, and only those willing to keep moving forward will ever reach the top. Now that you've proven your strength, it's time to discuss the price. Because power always comes with a cost, and only those willing to pay that price will truly rise above the rest. Chapter 5. The Price of Power. Embracing the Sacrifice. By now, you understand that true power doesn't come without a cost. You've torn down your weaknesses, flooded your mind with knowledge, rebuilt your mental framework, and proven your superiority against others. But with every step forward, there's a price to pay. Most people never reach this level because they aren't willing to sacrifice. They want strength, but they also want comfort. They want to be exceptional, but they refuse to give up the things holding them back. You are different. You are ready to pay the price, because you understand that greatness demands sacrifice, and that's exactly what you're here to do. The cost of mental supremacy. What you've been building isn't just intelligence, it's dominance. It's a level of mental power so sharp, so relentless, that it sets you apart from everyone around you. But that separation comes with consequences. The deeper you go into this journey, the more isolated you become. Friends, family, acquaintances, they will not understand. They will see your drive as obsession, your hunger for power as madness, and many of them will turn their backs on you. Good, Their doubt is proof of their weakness. They cling to comfort because they are too afraid to push themselves, too afraid to embrace the pain, the struggle, the sacrifice required to become something more. Sacrifice number 1. Comfort. Comfort is the enemy of growth. The moment you allow yourself to become comfortable, you stop evolving. True intelligence requires constant challenge, constant struggle. You must be willing to give up the comforts others cling to, late-night distractions, mindless entertainment, anything that dulls your edge or slows your progress. It all must be destroyed. Sacrifice number 2. Relationships. Those who refuse to understand your journey will become obstacles. Their doubt, their fear, their weakness will only drag you down. Cut them loose. Surround yourself only with those who push you to be better, those who challenge your mind instead of trying to hold it back. Loneliness is a small price to pay for mental superiority. Sacrifice number 3. Sanity. To push your mind to its limits, to constantly strive for more, there will be moments where your sanity feels stretched thin, where the pressure, the pain, the endless pursuit of power feels overwhelming. You must be willing to walk the edge of madness, to push yourself so far that others can't even comprehend what you're doing, because that's where true power lies, beyond the boundaries of normalcy. Sacrifice number 4, contentment. You will never be satisfied. No matter how strong your mind becomes, you will always crave more. And that hunger, that constant drive, is both your greatest strength and your greatest curse. Contentment is death. It's the end of growth. You must reject it completely. Always seek to sharpen your mind, to push your limits, to achieve what others can't even dream of. But remember this: everything you've sacrificed, everything you've given up, has been for one purpose: to build a mind that is unstoppable, to reach a level of intelligence and power that leaves everyone else behind. This path is not for everyone. It is brutal, relentless, unforgiving. But you are not everyone. You are something more, and the sacrifices you make only prove your strength. Now it's time to take everything you've built, everything you've sacrificed, and turn it into something even greater. It's time for the ascension, to become the unstoppable mind you were always meant to be.